The Ramesses. The Ramesses is where you can be your true self, as it consists of 4 powerful crystals that promotes purity, preserving, and prosperous energy. As rose quartz, right here, rose quartz is one of the prosperous crystals, and it promotes self-value, purity. As for the Ram, citrine is another citrine right here, citrine crystal. Citrine, and I'm reading from the paper. I had to read it down. Citrine is one of the prosperous crystals that consists of joyfulness amongst all, clarity, which helps bring balance to the Ram. Grain of venturine, right there. Grain of venturine is one of another preserving crystal, as it promotes abundance, healing, good fortune. As for the Ram, and for those who enter the Ram, last but not least, one of the powerful crystals that you will find here is amethyst. Amethyst right there. Amethyst crystal, as it promotes cleansing, calmness, and it also enchants protection, intuition over mind, body, and soul. These 4 powerful crystals all have an important role as they keep the energy in the Ram balanced. Let me get a better view. Energy in the Ram balanced with light, love, and volume. Not to mention, they are all huge gigantic clusters forged together. The Ramesses also consist of 2 huge primordial stargates. The first primordial stargate consists of green dark indigo, which is right here. Green dark indigo glares, which follows this huge glow of green radiation, which another huge glare of violet and orange flickers of energy. This stargate also allows those who are accepting of the truth and open to the abundance and beauty of the Ram. As with the warmth of the Ram, the second primordial stargate consists of yellowish greens glares, right here. Yellowish greens glares, which also follows a huge amount of yellowish orange radiation, and with the huge glares of blue and light blue flares being sent all over the Ram.